Two entrepreneurs arrive to present their idea.
Hello.
Hey, good morning.
Dennis.
Good.
Here. Nice to meet you.
Thanks. Nice to meet you too.
So, what brought you here?
Well, I have an appointment.
I
At
also
10
have
o'clock.
one.
Yeah?
Oh. I brought my business plan. Paid a lot of money for it, by the way. I'm actually going to sell books on the island.
Okay.
And what are you going to do?
I was inspired by an innovation where people produce mushrooms based on coffee grounds.
Oh.
So meaning the leftovers you see at the hotels, at the insurance companies, banks, that have no value as of today because they're not used. These leftovers I'm going to use for the production of my mushrooms, and these mushrooms I'm going to sell them back to the hotels. So I'm going to ask them to give me the leftovers from the coffee, and in return I'm going to sell them the mushrooms. Yeah.
Oh, great idea. I really have difficulty because even though I have my business plan, I'm nowhere explaining my business idea.
Okay.
So it's too complex for me.
Well, I've been to a training a couple of months ago on the business model campus, and it was really it was a very clear training. Because I love visual things, and when I can visualize something, it's very easy to tell the story. So the business model campus is a visual thing of how you will reach your customers, what your revenues are, costs, and your supplies, stuff like that. On the 4th and the 6th of June, I heard there is a training at the Chamber of Commerce from 6 till 9 in the evening, and they are going to talk about more in depth about the business campus model.
Okay.
So I think maybe you should join.
Oh, sure.
We could both learn a lot. What do you think?
Great idea. Yeah,
Should be fun.
Feel free to join us for the workshop Business Model Canvas on the 4th and 6th of June.